Alright, so now that we're zoomed in and you have a better view of the uke, my beautiful fingers, and the strings, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. It's like a double whammy. So the first chord that we need, which is the C minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the third string, third fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the second string, third fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the first string, third fret. So your fingers are on the third, second, and first string on the third fret. And it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the B flat chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the second and first string on the first fret, so it looks like that. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the third string, second fret. And then finally you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the fourth string, third fret, so it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And last but not least is the G minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the first string, first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the third string, second fret, so it looks like that. And finally you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the second string, third fret, so it should look like this, and it should sound like this. Alright, so those were the three chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play and let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just talked about the chords. Now let's go ahead and talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you a few different ways you can play this song. The first way that we're going to learn is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I ain't got time for strumming. I just started playing the uke a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. Please do not add strumming. I love this song. Don't ruin it with strumming. I got you. So the first way that we're going to play this song is just going to be with a simple down strum. So you're going to strum down with your thumb and you're going to strum all four strings. And as soon as you see a new chord, you're just going to strum down again. And as always, the full downloadable PDF chord sheet will be available on my Patreon. Patreon is a $5 monthly subscription service, hard word to say, and it helps support out this channel. Again, I'll leave a link down below. And you can also, again, download the full PDF chord sheet for the song, which is the full lyrics and chords right above the words, so you know exactly when to change chords. That will be available on Patreon. But again, as we just said, you're just gonna do a simple down strum whenever you see a new chord change, and it'll sound absolutely amazing. So the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and that strumming pattern is a down, down, up. So again, it's just going to be a down, down, up. I have the C minor chord down, and let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1, down, down, up. And you're gonna do that strumming pattern down, down, up 4 times for every chord, so counts of 4. And again, it's just going to be a simple down, down, up strumming pattern 4 times for every chord. There's some instances where you do 2 times for each chord, but you'll hear it's gonna go a little bit quicker. So it's gonna change from the C minor, which is 4, and then it's gonna go to G minor. That's gonna get 2, and then the B flat, which is gonna get 2. So you just kind of have to hear out, but majority of the song, each chord gets 4 chords. Some instances, they get 2 strumming patterns for that chord. So again, it's just going to be a down, down, up. And the final way we can play this song is going to be with a strumming pattern with a chuck. And if you're like, Ricky, what is a chuck? Well, basically it sounds like this. And if you want to learn how to chuck, I have a 5-minute dedicated video on YouTube to learn how to chuck. I'll leave it in the description below, also at the eye up here. But it's a 5-minute video, super simple, and you will definitely learn how to chuck after you watch that video. But if you already know how to chuck, the strumming pattern with the chuck is going to be a down, chuck, up. So let's do that one more time. I have the C minor chord down. Again, it's going to be a down, chuck, up. So again, as the previous strumming pattern, you're going to do that strumming pattern 4 times, or counts of 4, and it's just going to be a down, chuck, up. But either way you want to play it with just the single down strum, the strumming pattern of the down, down, up, or the strumming pattern with the chuck of the down, chuck, up. Or honestly, any way you feel like playing this song, it'll sound absolutely chef's kiss amazing. So those are the different ways you can play this song. Alright, so we learned the chords and the different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Billie Bossa Nova on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Also, if you just have recently hit that red subscribe button, welcome to the Uke fam, the best uke fam on the YouTubes, in my personal opinion. Thank you so much for being here. I truly can't thank you enough. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you are playing? This is a tenor-sized Enya ukulele. Look at the body of this. It's absolutely amazing. It's made out of a sort of plastic and carbon fiber mix, and it's super durable, so if you want something to on the go, on the road, and it's also super unique, the Enya Nova U ukulele is definitely your friend. I have a bunch in the back as well. Those are concert size. They also come in soprano size, so they come in every different size you can think of for a uke. I'll leave a link down below if you want to go check it out. Also, links down below for my merch. I'm currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie. We also have hats, t-shirts, all that good stuff. And also links to all of my socials, TikTok, Patreon, Twitter, and Instagram. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me on your most used socials, and let's be friends. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.